Hi, welcome. So in this video, we will see how to create a 100% stacked column chart in Power BI. So to create a 100% stacked column chart, you just click on uh, the particular chart, and here you notice that I have different data elements like date of sale, product quantity, sales amount, and salesman and state. You can see the data here, the associated data that I have here, right? Quantity, sales amount, and how many products that I have, and what is the sales person name, state, and the what date the particular sale has happened, right? So all these informations that I have. So to assign the data to this 100% stacked column chart, we'll see. So 100% stacked column, 100% stacked column chart, right? So we are just going to select the data element. So date of sale, the product, the sales amount I select, right? Yeah, see. So I have 2020 and 2021 different dates, right? So for this time I will remove this date. Instead of date, I will go by the state. See, so I have selected a state, sales amount for product, right? So products I have one, two, three, four, five products for each state, I would say. So each state we have generated a one bar, and the product, that four products that I have, it is segregated into a four section for a particular state, and you'll see the sales amount here, right? So what it means exactly, for a Gujarat state that I have different products, I mean different sections of the products that you can see in the legend, right? Different products are the different section. If you hover over your mouse on a particular section, you will see what it is. For example, this one is tablet, this is mobile, and this is laptop, and this is computer, right? And the what is the measure that we have used, the sales amount, correct? So for a four sections, you see, for a product computer and state Gujarat, the sales amount is contributed 33.14%. And this one is laptop Gujarat 40.94%. And this one Gujarat mobile 10.13%. And Gujarat tablet 14.72%. If you sum up all these percentages, right, it is 100%. So the stacked bar chart or a column chart, it simply tells that a particular measure that you have selected, right, at 100% of that particular measure, how it is segregated on a stacked bar chart. That is what it is exactly, right? Yeah. So I hope this video is useful to you. So I'm going to talk about more and more Power BI charts going forward. If you feel like this video is useful to you, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the timely notifications. Thank you. See you in the next video.